Hello everyone, welcome back to PoshNClassy channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you this colorful eye makeup look. So if you're interested how I created this look, then keep on watching and let's get started. So I started this look by applying concealer on my eyelid. I'm going to blend it nicely and I'm going to set it with this compact powder. Even you can use loose powder to set your eyelid so that there are no creases. So to create this colorful look, firstly I'm going to dip my brush into this purple shade and I'm going to blend it at the outer corner of my V, and I'm not going to take it inwards, just going to work with it at the outer V as you can see. So just take a fluffy brush and work with this color. Next I'm going to use this pink shade and going to blend the purple edges and going inward and outward, going to blend it very nicely. So I'm taking the color more and going to blend it as I get the good pigmentation. Next I'm going to dip my brush into this orange shade and going to blend the pink edges with the purple color to create this colorful look. I'm going to blend it very nicely. To blend these orange edges, I'm going to dip my brush into this yellow shade and going to blend it very nicely so that everything is seamlessly blended. Next I'm going to use this red hot shade and going to blend it with the purple, but in between the purple and red I'm going to blend the pink color. Next I blended yellow shade with the orange one. So here I'm blending that pink shade between purple and red hot shade. Next I'm going to blend everything nicely with this fluffy small brush. For my lower lashes I'm going to use that purple shade, and with that purple shade next I will blend pink shade to blend the purple edges so that everything is blended nicely. Next I am using here Inglot white gel liner on my lower waterline. You can use any white kajal. Next I'm using Mamaearth liner, liquid liner. This is a sleek liquid liner guys. If you are a beginner and if you want the that pointy kind of liner, you can go for this liner. This is a must have liner because the brush is so sleek. You can create a pointy kind of liner if you are a beginner, so it's really good. You can see my wings is so pointy. Even I'm going to create my inner wings using that same liner, and you can see how pointy it is and neat and clean. I really love this liner. I highly recommend you guys. Next I'm going to curl my lashes and apply mascara before applying false eyelashes, because this is an important part that you need to follow before applying false eyelashes. Next I'm going to highlight my high points of my cheeks and I applied false lashes. That's it, and this is my final look. I hope you enjoyed watching this colorful eye makeup tutorial and you have learned something from this video. If yes, don't forget to give a big thumbs up, and yes, if you are new to my channel you can subscribe to PoshNClassy. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.